Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. This vlog will be about my birthday, which was 2 months back on 4th November. I know it's been a long time. Yeah, I want to share some clips with you. This time I celebrated birthday with my family. It was after a long time I got to spend some quality time with my family. I bought cake from Triptis for myself and then I went home all the way to Namthang. It was a good time together at home with mom, appa, and my grandmother. We were just jamming along, and I bought some cool stuff for myself as a birthday gift to myself. You need to pamper yourself, right? So why only wait for others to give you gift? I'll be unboxing those things also, which I bought from Decathlon. They are mostly hiking products. It's from Me to Me with Love. Okay, guys, I didn't film much that day because I was busy and we were just having a great time singing. We had karaoke session, me and mom, especially my grandmom and appa. They were watching, they were the spectators for the night. Let's continue with the clips from that day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Premi. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Rumahini, ayali basanta ho, kali rumahini, ho, pavitra ganga ho. सदियों से लंबी है रातें, आजा लौट कर तू, ये दिल कह रहा है। लागला है दिल को बोलिए इंसान जो हो या कंदई हो देखायो बगारा उल्लासखिना बिया पहिले तिमीलाई उल्लासखिना तिमी देखि टाढा जान सकिना हाना पाइ बसेछ माया आकाशभन्दा बेसी हिमालयलाई ढाक्यो कान्छ हिउँको पछौरीले उसको आँखामा फुलै संसार टाढाको आँखामा टाढै संसार सुन्दा होस् मेरो भोलि बुझ्दा होस् मेरो पैतालाले किनै नमारोस् हाम्रो आँखामा खुल्छ राम्रै संसार टाढाको आँखामा टाढै संसार मायातिर पियाकी पर्खिदेऊ भन्छु अँध्यारो नै तोरी निकल्छ बाटै सुनको तारा खसैदैन तारा मात्र है सब पनि छाडिँदैन।
Okay, guys, welcome back. Now I'll be unboxing some products from Decathlon which I bought for myself. Starting with this tent, hiking tent. It is tent for the starters. It cost me around 1,999, approximately 2,000. Yeah, it's very easy to set up. I set this up on my birthday and I slept outside home the entire night. My mom also, she was with me throughout the night, and it was pretty warm and cozy. Inside the tent we just placed some mattress and quills, and I was just like having a great time inside the tent, surrounded by home. Grandmom, she was checking me throughout the night and was asking me whether I'm feeling cold or not, because the chances of temperature falling down at night is quite high, right? So 4th November, I slept in this tent itself. My mom, she woke up early in the morning, and throughout the entire night, our cat was disturbing us. She was scratching the tent, but it didn't hamper my sleep. So yeah, we were pretty good to go with the tent. And the next thing I bought for myself is hiking boots from Decathlon itself. It's women hiking boots. I haven't used it. It cost me 1499, yeah, almost 1500. I think it's quite reasonable, and the product quality is pretty good. The color is win-win. I like the color also. I can't wait to try it on one of my hiking days. Next thing I bought is multi-purpose travel bag. It has many pockets here also, and inside also. You can see many pockets, and you can tie it on the waist, or you can just slide it on your shoulder like this, right? It can go anywhere. You can just fold it and put it inside your bag. So while traveling also you can use this. Serves the purpose while traveling, and you can store almost everything due to multiple pockets present out here. Okay, this one's the multi-purpose travel bag. This one cost me 599. You can say 600. And the same one goes for this one. This one I mostly use while going to gym. You can like fold it into the smallest compact size as possible, and you can store a lot if you want. This one I use it while traveling also. It's pretty handy. So yeah, this one's one of my personal favorite. I use it most of the time. See guys, it's quite spacious. Okay, and the next thing which I bought is this hiking fleece. It serves the purpose of keeping you warm. This one cost me 299. As you can see, 1 rupee difference, 300 approximately. My sister also bought this one for herself, and she's using it at home. I use it at home as well as while going to places for layering purpose. And the final product which I bought from Decathlon is this mini torchlight. This torchlight, it cost me 299. Very useful, especially while returning back from night walks. When it becomes pitch dark, I use it, or when it becomes completely dark, I use this torch. Pretty handy all of the time. You can just put inside your bag. And the final product which I bought for myself is from Flipkart. Any guesses, guys? Okay. Sleeping bag. It's from Trajectory. I bought it in discount and rupees 1300. I've used it once. It keeps you warm throughout the night. Yeah guys, I can't wait to use all of these products while going out for hiking with my friends. So these are the gifts which I bought for myself. It's from me to me. I hope you liked it. I also got to celebrate birthday with my childhood friends, Lucky and Dicky. We had a small get together. It's always a good time with my friends. So here are some clips from a little get together with my friends.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you.
So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have watched this vlog, thank you for watching and for giving your time to this vlog. Okay, bye bye, see you in another one. Hopefully, take care.